Now, Adrenaline's voiceover has brought us here. We must stick to the script. You silly Spartans always mess things up.
Mess things up, Persian? You don't know the least of it. You better watch your mouth. I am King Leonidas. Watch your mouth, Persian.
Watch my mouth. No one can tell me what it is to do. I'm the Persian king. You must stick to the script. Anyways, if a war is to break out, you're gonna lose anyway. I've conquered nearly 7 continents of this world. You better watch your mouth, Spartan.
The old Persians talk, huh? Well, let me tell you. We have recruited a soldier by the name of Tommy Lee.
What? This is nonsense. How did you get Tommy Lee to fall on your side?
Sparta.
You might be able to have Tommy Lee, but you don't have Vybz Kartel, and thus the empire of the Spartans will fall. The word is out that Vybz Kartel is incarcerated. Spartans, you're gonna die.
Spartans never retreat. Spartans never surrender. You came to the studio to disrespect me and my people. This means war.
Whatever, Spartan. You keep talking. I'll do the walking. You see, with me, I carry the finest woman in the whole world, all the riches. You think that you can disrespect me? Do you think so, Spartan?
Tommy Lee, tell them how we do it.
Talk them a chat. Tommy Lee, me a talk from here with ear badness.
Back at that. Man psycho, Gaza run boy.
Me no know about them, but me know about we. A cause of me run boy, yeah. Boy, them a flip me ratchet. Me we push to your chest, me we shoot one of them boy, yeah.